Well, hey family, this is Darlene with Jewelry by BDK. Wanted to stop by real quick and share one of the necklace sets that I got completed. Actually yesterday. Um, I got a couple of minutes real quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and upload this. And I really, really like it. So I said to myself, I am going to start going off the edge when creating. So no matter how weird it appears, no matter how strange or off or anything it appears, I'm gonna still create it, no matter. And for me, that is what makes my pieces so so different and unique from anybody else's. So I like the way this came out. I used a 20 millimeter beads all the way through. This is a 22-inch necklace with the lobster clasp back. And then we have the pendant here. I used a painted a piece, and then I put one of the painted beads and then wrapped it with some of that aluminum wire. And then of course we have more of the 20 millimeter beads, some glass beads, a metal bead, some of those natural stones. I like the way it came out. I'm working on another piece now that is just as wicked as this one right here, and this piece is going to be one of the first ones that I put on display at the one of the May events. So this will be one of the first ones I put out. This one and the other one I'm working on now. Um, so I got a couple more pieces I need to get done. What you guys think about this one? I really like it. And I am working on more of the beads. And what I did is wrote the word love, Love. So the letters are spread out over the beads, but that's what it says, Love. And I really like the way they look. It gives a nice little extra hint of personality to it, the entire necklace. And then just did the uh the earrings, one of each of the beads that I use. So you can see here the polka dot bead is there. We got a polka dot earring, and then we have the other bead here. So I just went ahead and made that an earring. Then I added the green and the blue simply because we have blue here, and then we have green in those beads right there, which makes it all blend pretty good together. I like it. Let me see if I could turn this real quick. There we go. Let's see how that comes out. That's really nice. I like that. But anyway, Darlene Knight with Jewelry by BDK. Got some new subscribers. Wanted to thank you for clicking subscribe and hanging out with us. The channel is meant to be inspiration for those of you who are looking and wanting to create, be it jewelry, candles, or anything you're trying to create. More so jewelry here, though. And if that's what you want to do, create jewelry, by all means, create jewelry. And I do hope that you be inspired and, encouraged to do so watching any one of the videos here. Okay, and if you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the like button, comment. Anything you see here, you got a comment about it, go ahead and submit that comment. And whenever I get a chance, I'll answer you back. Alrighty.